Well, happy Thursday, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day at work on this Thursday. The EBO or EB2 base that I'm working on, I've kind of cleared up the tag in there a little bit. Unfortunately, all that black stuff right there that's the serial number and the model number that somebody scraped off. But I've polished the exterior of this base using linseed oil. I gave it a good wipe down, got the nicotine and stuff off of the base. It appeared to be coated in nicotine. Took hours of work to get all that stuff off of there, off the front and the back. Look at that. That's what the front would have looked like, but this probably sat in the sun for hours and hours and hours on end. Who knows? Polished up all of the metal, and I fortunately had a tone knob here that I had saved from another instrument that I needed to replace a volume pot for with the matching. So now we have matching volume and tone controls. We have the baritone switch that works great, and the input jack has been cleaned. I have installed a piece of felt underneath this off of an older instrument that the owner opted to remove the pick guard. Some people do that on Gibson Les Pauls and other Gibson guitars. So I saved that piece of felt, and now this thing has a nice piece of felt underneath there so that the pick guard doesn't ding up the finish. Polished the pickup metal. It's a little pitted out in here. That's okay. And we have polished and cleaned the fretboard. Look at that. I don't think I put much video up of what it looked like before, and that doesn't really matter. And now I'm simply awaiting a set of short scale bass strings, and I want to get strings on this so bad. But we're waiting delivery. So this thing is about ready to come back to life. I cannot wait to get this thing up and running again. It's close. Pretty much get the strings on it, do the setup, check the neck relief with the strings on the instrument, and everything's working just as it should. Pretty cool. Here's the mute. That's how it works. It pushes that piece of felt up and hits the strings and mutes them a little bit. Push it down and it behaves like a normal unmuted bass. Wow. Cannot wait. Peace, y'all.